about 10 maybe? Okay, that's all. Okay. All right, well, cut that big then, okay? And what we're doing is using an 8-inch wide insulation material that's most commonly used on inline flanges. However, we're going to use it to wrap a 1.5-inch hot oil pipe. If I had my preference, I'd like to be using a little bit wider product, but for purposes of a demo, we're using what we have. Okay, yeah, okay. All right, very good. Where is that?
Yeah, zip right here.
And ideally, a little larger piece of material would be our choice, but this is a demo and it does fit.
One this side.
Okay, you're going to put one inside there? Okay, good.
One here. This.
All right.
This.
And then you're going to put a little bit. Okay. As I said, this is merely a demonstration. If we had larger product, we would use the larger product. Okay, and then one more time. And this type of hot oil jumper is often left uninsulated by other insulators because they don't have the materials to do this. But as you can see, it's eliminated a safety issue as well as a efficiency issue. Now we're going to wrap the other side and then we're going to wrap the flange. And 158 degrees to the left of the flange. On the insulated portion to the right of the flange, it's 86 degrees. So the surface temperature has been reduced by approximately 170 degrees. Radius pipe with weld elbows, if that was a straight section of 1.5-inch pipe, it would fit better than what this particular test or sample piece would fit due to the radius. Maybe 22 inches, okay, is big, okay? And we're going to insulate the flange right now. And this product is significantly less expensive than a factory-made or factory-fabricated removable reusable cover. It might cost as much as $85 to $100 to purchase just the inline flange cover, where we're doing it for a little less.
Help me for this, I go for
yes.
2 zip.
Okay,
Zip
yes. All right, and what we'd like to do here is place the seam in a watershed position and also maybe put the seam at about 5 o'clock or down low for best finished appearance. And it's nice if you can actually make the flange covers up in advance. You might make them all the same length and staple the ends so that rather than cutting each individual one on site, you can do it ahead of time, which would speed up the application. Okay. All right. And it may not be extremely sophisticated, it's just cost effective and extremely versatile. And in the event that you would want to access it, it's easily removed. And most importantly, it's quick. And let's see what the surface temperature is. That's approximately 64 degrees. So we've reduced the surface temperature by about 200 degrees.